Hi, this segment today is going to deal with some rehearsal issues in the third movement of Holst's Suite in E flat, starting at the key change at letter A. And I've invited to talk to you international tuba artist Sam Pilafian and international horn artist J.D. Shaw.
We'd like to talk about rhythm coming from the band and what you can do to rehearse and have ownership from the band of your tempo. And there's several rehearsal techniques that come to mind. But the first one is belief in the tempo. So we're going to not play our instruments, but we're going to play a game called bopping, and we'll sing short notes and try to keep them in time with the metronome. The metronome will keep shifting. It'll always be on, but the sound will go up and down. And you'll notice that we'll float off of the rhythm and then come back to the rhythm. And after a short amount of time, we'll be able to really have a deep belief in the time and be able to agree. And it makes for a much more fun rehearsal if we're all on the same tempo page. So here we go. Let's hear the tempo. And we'll do quarter notes in cut time. One, two, I knew I did that. I sat there and said, I was thinking about being in high school and thinking about I always would think about food and get off the tempo. And so this is a way of calling the meeting together by playing the tempo game. If it takes a minute and a half for everybody to get on the page of the thing, that's okay, but the next rehearsal, and next time you play the game, it'll be much less time until you can settle a tempo down in 20 to 30 seconds of this type of game and then go.
A tuba player thinking about food, who would have thought it?
And so as we play these tempo games, these play therapies, we start to get an awareness. That's the number one thing about tempo, is that we're very aware of this tempo. Let's hear it again, hear the tempo again. And let's play the piece in a loud, confident way. And so we'll do it all on the key of the piece, which is A-flat concert. And so we'll all pick an A-flat concert in a comfortable register, and we're going to play confidently loud and commit to the time. We'll play the same tempo game, but with the instruments. So we are rehearsing tempo, but we're also rehearsing commitment. Take a breath and commit. And now it's time to do something else, which is we're going to do the music. And let's play the music and play it all short. And so this is about the math. It's not necessarily about the phrasing. It's about the math. Let's see if we can keep it straight. And remember the fingerings. And remember, to stay in time. And remember to look up. There's a lot of multitasking going on here. But underneath it all is that tempo that we're now aware of and we're trying to own as a band.
Volume?
From the top.
What volume is it?
Let's do the dynamic.
Okay.
2. Fun to do, and at the same time we're learning staccato, and it's a very difficult subject, but easily taught to us by the treble clef instrument.